need therapy. I don't need therapy. I just told you that. It's my friend. So, you didn't hear me say that? I'm sorry. You know, you guys are supposed to be so good at listening. You can't even remember what I said to you 2 seconds ago. I gotta tell you, Doc, I called the level of service up to this point. It was my fault. I apologize. I'm sorry. Why don't you just tell me about your friend? His friend, he's a very powerful man. He had that trouble dealing with nothing. Now all of a sudden he's like falling apart. He's wheezing, he's asleep. He can't get his friends up. There's nervous around him. He has to get away from them. And these are guys he knows his whole life, you know? It's like, and then he like, thanks, you know? It's like, he can't breathe. It's like, he gets dizzy, chest pains, you know? It's like, he thinks he's gonna die or something. What's with you guys and all this fucking
Not chest breathing restriction.
Attack. Yeah. This guy just wants to know what he can do to make it stop.
See, I'm gonna go out and I think.
You got a gift, my friend. You got a gift. Oh, yeah. I was trying to do. You figured that out. That's why you are who you are. God bless you. Now, fuck you. No, you do. Oh, yes, you do. Go on.
What?
Go on.
Oh. Hey.
Drugs?
The problem. You don't want to get sick.
What have I got to do with something?
I don't think you want to. My patience is full. I'm just so. Plus, I'm leaving.
Where are you going?
I don't share this. Share it.
It's a funny kind of a thing, but you know, I feel better if I got it off my chest. I feel like a load. A load is off my shoulders. You're good. Doc, thank you. I'll do something.
I did not.
You did something. Where is it? Don't know. You're good. You're good, Doc. You're good. I'm going to be good in touch with you. I'm just saying. If I talk to you and you turn me into a fag, I'm gonna kill you.
Some feelings may come
I'm
up.
a fag. You're good, Doc. You're good. You're not.